Hello friends! If you're new to my channel, my name is Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and accounting CFO advisor. Have you ever wondered about sales tax, how to collect it or pay them for your restaurant or franchise business in the state of Arizona? Well, in today's video, I wanted to share 5 sales tax tips for your restaurant or franchise business and how to get started. Number 1, understand the sales tax basics. Familiarize yourself with Arizona state tax laws and regulations. Now, remember that in order for you to know a little bit more about the tax situation or sales taxes for your state is really either making a phone call to the Department of Revenue or finding someone that knows about sales taxes in your state. Now, make sure that you review the website for the Department of Revenue, and it's typically aztaxes.gov, to really understand your tax rates, your exemptions, and your reporting requirements specifically to your restaurant industry. Now, sales taxes is definitely a process and will require you to seek expert advice, or if you want to be an expert at it, then I would say, research it and do everything you can to know a lot more about it. Number 2, determine your taxable sales. Identify the taxable and non-taxable items or services your restaurant offers. Common taxable items in your restaurant really include prepared food, beverages, alcohol beverages, and some retail items like, let's say you have t-shirts of your restaurant, right? Those things like that you have to collect taxes on them. Now, some of the areas that you want to make sure of and that you cover is that you're collecting sales taxes for those items. Make sure to look at your POS systems. They can break down the items even further as long as you have them registered, right? Number 3, register for a sales tax license. Apply for your transactional privilege tax license, which is a TPT license with the state of Arizona Department of Revenue. Now, you can register online through the aztaxes.gov website. Make sure you file them monthly, okay? Especially if you're a food truck, if you're a bakery, a coffee shop, a restaurant, a franchisee. You want to do this monthly because you definitely don't want to get the tax gods upset. Now, once you register, you will receive a TPT license and a transactional privilege tax return will need to be filed. Number 4, keep accurate records. Maintain detailed records of all your sales transactions, including sales receipts, invoices, and cash receipt tapes as well. Accurate records will help you in calculating and reporting the correct sales tax amounts. Also, keep track of any tax exempt sales or non-taxable items sold. Number 5, file and pay sales tax on time. Filing your TPT and your taxes on a monthly basis for your restaurant would be the best way to ensure you're not incurring any penalties for your business. Ensure you meet the filing and payment deadlines to avoid extra penalties and interest charges. Also, by the way, if you run a food truck, okay, keep track of the cities that you sell in, because you will need to add each city and report the taxes for those as well. You will also be charged a fee every time you add a new city to your route. You can file and pay electronically through the AZ Taxes website. And remember, it's always advisable to consult with a tax professional or the Arizona Department of Revenue for specific guidelines or guidance related to your restaurant sales tax obligation. Now, there are deductions that you can be taken as well, like gratuity, the tips that you've collected, and discounts given are also some of the deductions on your sales taxes that can lower your tax liability. Now, you want to make sure that your tax professional is filing and paying your sales taxes. It's two different things, right? Filing and paying your sales taxes. If you're not paying them yourself, we encourage our clients to pay them monthly. And last thing you want is to have a huge bill because you didn't pay the sales taxes you collected from your customers. Well, friends, I hope that this video was helpful. Make sure to tune in to our channel weekly. We're here weekly. If you need assistance with your sales taxes, we would love to speak with you. Make sure to click on the link below, schedule a restaurant checkup call with one of our specialists. We really appreciate you and everything you do for our community. Until next time, bye.